Hi, welcome to my video. I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. We have a new catalog coming out on July 6th. It's our autumn-winter catalog, so we'll get all of our Christmas transfers and fall transfers and fresh coffee daily. This is the one I'm going to be working with today. I am going to be putting it on this bound surface, and I'm also going to be using our Chalk Couture Boutique board and pillar, and I'm going to be chalk paste I'm going to be using is Splash and Bark Shimmer Splash, so it's going to have a shimmer to it. And I'm going to use our surface wax, and because I don't know, this has kind of got a wood surface and I don't know if it's, I don't want my transfer to stick to it, so put a little bit of wax on it to keep from pulling it up. Those are my two projects. I love them. Can't wait to put them in my kitchen. And check back when I do the third Kickstart transfer. And I hope you enjoyed this video. All my links are down below. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.